पामि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणाय भजामि राधारविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्तं वदामि राधां करुणावराद्रां ततो मम हस्ते गतिर्न तरापि श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम Madhuru, Nikalila, Pravisham Vishnupada, Vasu Saraswati Srimadu Bhaktivedanta, Nikalila, Pravisham Vishnupada, Vasu Saraswati Srimadu Bhaktivedanta, Namaste Maharaj Ki Avasara.
Hare Krishna, please check, am I audible to you? Haribol, am I audible to you?
Tatpashchat Nikalila, Pravisham Vishnupada, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj एवं उपस्थित वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत नमस्कार। हम लोग कई दिन जावत
For last few days back, we are hearing about the Rath Yatra, and we are hearing about the importance of Rath Yatra. Just like you have heard just that how Mahaprabhu, so he has presented the internal feeling of cleaning Gundicha temple, Gundicha Marjan, that how Sadhak can clean his heart and make. So there are many kinds of concretes and dust is there in the temple, just like we have so much vikar in our heart. So there are many kinds of marg, karma marg and gyar marg. We have to move forward from this, and then we have to enter from bhakti marg. As like our Narottam Thakur is saying, this karma kand and gyan kand is just like and Gyan Kand is just like a Vishaya Bhan. It is a store of Vishaya. It is a store of poison. And the Karma Kand and Gyan Kand, and thinking that it is a nectar, and if somebody is taking that, so he is taking the very hatred thing. And Gyan Kand, it is a store of poison, and if somebody is thinking it is nectar, so he is taking just a hatred thing. That's why by the Karma Kand and Gyan Kand, the soul cannot be liberated, neither in this world, nor in the another world after death. So that's why we should give up the Karma Kand and Gyan Kand, and we should enter into the Nirmal, the pious, pure Bhakti Marg. So you have heard just how our Goswami, Rup Goswami Pad has described very nicely how we have to perform Shuddha Bhakti, Anyavla Shunam, like this. So we have to enter into Uttama Bhakti. Who will follow the Uttama Bhakti? Who are the Uttam devotee? They will enter into the Uttama Bhakti. But we should have desire, cheshta, that how gradually from our lower adhikar we can enter into the higher adhikar, the Ucha adhikar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing
अधिकार से कैसे
from
धीरे-धीरे
lower
हम
to upwards. From high stage we have to enter there.
कनिष्ठ अधिकार से हम पहले
From Kanishta to Madhyam
मध्यम अधिकार
and
में
Madhyam
प्रवेश
to
करें
Uttam.
और मध्यम अधिकार से धीरे धीरे हम
So
उत्तम अधिकार में प्रवेश करें। ये हमारे विधान का है।
this is the process.
छलांग लगाना नहीं है।
We don't to have there is no need to jump.
जंपिंग जाके के जाना है। धीरे धीरे
Gradually by the following all the process after performing bhajan sadhan, gradually we have to march forward, move on. That's why Raya Ramanand, he is starting from Varnashram Dharma and gradually he has showed so many paths from Varnashram and then many paths.
विष्णु आराधते पंथा नन्नत तत्वतारण वर्णाश्रम धर्म आदि पालन करते करते
While after following Varnashram Dharma, gradually
हमारे विश्वास सत्कर्म में प्रवृत्ति होगा।
we will our trust, our faith will be turned into the doing good deeds, and after doing good deeds we will enter into the sattva shuddha gyan, and then after that shuddha gyan we will enter into the bhakti marg. So this is the process. So how we can do this? By the satsang, by the association of sadhu we can do this. So by the association of sadhu, gradually you can give up the karma kand and gyan kand, then you will enter into the shuddha bhakti. That's why, which is called mahata kirpa.
महतेर कृपा बिना कोनो परमे भक्ति नय कृष्ण भक्ति दूरे रहु संसार में महतो के जब तक हमारी कृपा
Until we won't receive the mercy of the mahat person, the sant, so we cannot enter into the bhakti. So without the mercy of that lotus or the feet of the dust of the feet of the mahat person, then so without that we cannot enter into the bhakti. So by the dust of the mahat person we will enter into the bhakti. It is not possible by the austerities. Even it is not possible by the worshipping. It is not possible by the studying Vedas. Even it is not possible by giving the water to the Surya and other devtas. Even so even except the sansar dharma, somebody became the sannyasi, then he will get this kinds of thing. It is not possible by that. Without the mercy of the dust of the feet of the saintly person, Mahat. So this is the process. We have to take the dust of that Mahat person, their mercy. So Prahlad Maharaj who are tied by the rope in the of the karma marg, how they can to others. So example given by one Prabhuji, a blind man, he cannot untie the another blind man. If a blind man hold the another's blind man hands, they both will fall down into the potholes. So very nicely explained by one Prabhuji. So after giving up the karma marga gyan marg, one has to enter into the bhakti pad.
सर्वनाश
If somebody
मायावाद दोष जार हृदय पसिलो चित्त ताहार वज्र समझ
in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavatam very nicely described,
शिवजी में इसमें कोई दोष नहीं
Shivji doesn't have any kind of fault.
किसने प्रचार
Who preached the Mayavad? Shankaracharya.
किया
So Shankaracharya, Shivji himself, there is no fault in Shankar. Shankar was just following the instruction of Bhagwan. Because Bhagwan said, go and preach the Mayavad. Because these demons are teasing me so much.
मायावाद
So you go and preach the Mayavad. And said, Aham Brahma Asmi. We are the Brahma. So on Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, beautiful explanation on it.
के श्लोक जो है बिल्कुल विपरीत अर्थ का
So he has created a different
ये तो वाक्य है
explanation of this mantra, Aham Brahma Asmi.
ये तो अपने काल्पनिक अर्थ लगा करके इस शंकराचार्य ने किया कि
So Sankaracharya manifested their explanation and they have confused the people. That's why Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, in that bhashya he has written very nicely
वास्तव में ये इसके तात्पर्य क्या है
what is actually its purport. What is the meaning of Aham Brahmasmi? If we will get time sometime, I will explain you how Srila Gurudev has explained this very nicely.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपने
So it was very nice that you have told something about Gundicha Marjan.
सुंदर सिद्धांत आदि के द्वारा आपने बताया
So you have given some example. It was nice.
आगे बढ़े
So now we are moving forward that how Mahaprabhu,
किस प्रकार राधा जी के भाव में
how he was so much observed in the Radhaji Bhav and he was performing a dance and singing there.
ये महाप्रभु के एक विशेष
This is the Vasishtha, speciality of Mahaprabhu.
भाव की एक अभिनव माधुर्य
So Mahaprabhu has presented there that under the shelter of God, how we can serve Radha and Govinda.
इसलिए हमारी
That's why our Acharya Pad, this is the speciality. They have shelter of serving the Radha Govinda.
जब हम
Actually, seva, when we will get the service, when we take the
विप्रलंब भाव के द्वारा
bhav, we can serve Radha and Govinda.
माधुर्य संभोगमय लीला को हम जान सकते हैं
We can understand by the Radha Govinda Vipralamba Seva, Vipralamba Leela. So many kinds of beautiful bhav is explained here that how he was.
जगन्नाथ जी के निकट
And before the Jagannath ji, he was performing dance there.
सप्ततुली प्रभु करें गीते अभिनय
It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
नृत्य करते करते
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, while he was dancing,
जी के निकट
and before the Jagannath ji, how he was moving his hand, moving his head, and how he is expressing his feeling there.
जब दुनिया
When gopis met with Krishna, especially Srimati Radhika,
जैसे अपने भाव को कृष्ण के निकट व्यक्त कर
so when she was expressing her feelings toward Krishna,
ये रथ यात्रा की
so that Kurukshetra context is here, Rath Yatra. So Mahaprabhu presented that Kurukshetra feelings here.
अभी हम काल की श्रवण कर रहे
So yesterday we have heard already
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika,
किस प्रकार
how she was teasing
कृष्ण के कैसे
to Krishna and saying to him,
इस प्रकार हम लोग गा रहे थे हे कृष्ण
Hey Krishna,
तुम्हारे अन्नवेश अन्न संगम देश रजजने कबु नहीं भाई रजभूमि ছাড়িতে না রে তোমার না দেখিলে মরে রজজনে কি হবে উপায় তুমি জীবন ব্রজরাজের প্রাণধন তুমি সম্পদ দয়াদ্র তোমার মন ব্রজজন तजी उदाव उदय कराओ निजपद राधा जी
So Radha ji herself is saying to Krishna, Hey Krishna,
आप तारकासुर क्षेत्र में आप
so you are staying in the, are you getting pleasure here in staying with Dwarika and Kurukshetra?
सुख नहीं है वास्तव
There is no pleasure here,
और ब्रजवासी जनों को भी सुख नहीं है
and there is no pleasure of Vrijvasi too.
तुम भी दुखी हो
You are also suffering, and Brajvasi also.
कृष्ण वास्तव रूप में कहाँ प्राप्त करते हैं
How, where Krishna gets so much pleasure? He gets pleasure in the Braj.
साधारण उदाहरण है
I am just giving you a simple example.
शेर के जरिए
If there is a lion,
जंगल से पकड़ करके
if you caught him from the forest and put him into the cage,
क्या वो शेर स्वच्छंद रूप में विचरण करेंगे
so that lion can wandering here and there spontaneously, very freedomly? No. The lion would like to be free from all kinds of cage. He would like to stay in the forest.
और उससे इसके सुख आनंद है
So there he will get so much pleasure only.
तात्पर्य क्या है
So what is the meaning?
कृष्ण मथुरा द्वारका कुरुक्षेत्र
So Krishna in the Mathura and Dwarika and Kurukshetra, this is the Aishwarya Dham.
कृष्ण के सुख है आनंद
So there is no pleasure to Krishna.
कृष्ण के नित्य धाम कहाँ पर है?
Where is the Krishna Nitya Dham?
वृंदावन।
In Vrindavan.
इस प्रकार में वो
That's why yesterday I told you one context about
युधिष्ठिर महाराज को प्रश्न करने लगे कौन
Narada Rishi.
चक्षुष है कौन मदद है
Daksha was pleasing to
कौन है
Yudhishthir, who is the topmost happy. There are many questions, but there was one question amongst them, that who is the topmost happy.
कौन है और इन्हीं अप्रवास
Arani, Apravasi, who doesn't have any kinds of debt,
और इन्हीं
who stays
जो किसी से कभी धार नहीं
any kinds of borrowed from someone,
और अप्रवास
and Apravasi, Arani and Apravasi, who never went anywhere leaving his country. They are happy.
तात्पर्य क्या है इसे
What is the meaning? Arani,
जो ऋण नहीं लेते
Arani who hasn't taken any kinds of borrow.
लिया
If you have taken borrow some money, if you didn't repay that at the time, so that person will scold you, abuse you, and that person will ask you again and again, give me my money.
मूल नहीं दो तब
And if you are not giving me the interest, so giving me the amount which I gave you.
नाती ज्यादा प्यारे हो गए ना खाते हैं। बोले ब्याज तो दो हमारा हैं? तंग करते हैं।
So they will give you so much teasing, and the person who hasn't taken anybody's borrow from anybody's,
इसलिए और
so he will be happy every time.
अप्रवासी
And the Apravasi who never been anywhere leaving his country.
भाई विदेश जाओ आपके सदा सर्वदा डर रहता है
If you go to the foreigner country, you will be all, maybe your passport is gone, where to do,
भाषा भी अलग है
and the language is different.
आप जो दुश्चिंता
So there are many kinds come into your mind. The person who is staying he is without worry. Huh?
अरे छोटा जो कार्ड
There is a little bit unique identity card, Aadhaar card. Early days, nothing was like that.
तो इसने कहा अपने देश
The person who is staying his own country, he is happy. Philosophy is here also.
अच्छा बताओ को ऋणी नहीं है हाथ
Or any who is not in debt, please tell me, who hasn't taken the borrow.
कितना कर देना
Is anybody has the borrow loan?
30 लाख रुपए कर्ज हो गया नहीं दिया जन्म से ही तुम्हारे कर्ज है
So from since birth you have 6 kinds of
स्कूल में कर
debt.
सब ऋणी है सब
Everybody is in debt.
तो
Gato mukaddam parihit kartavam. from all kinds of debt, then when we take the shelter of Mukti Dadatiti Mukund, the Govind, then when we surrender ourselves, then we will be free from all kinds of debt. That's why we all are in debt. And Apravasi. Who is Apravasi? Who has been to foreign country? So this is the lockdown period. We all are Pravasi. Pravasi means Pravasi and Apravasi. Because you are from, I was thinking like the same. Because you have come from the Golok Vrindavan and you are staying in this world. That's why you are Apravasi and you are wandering here and there. Yes. So you all are Apravasi. You all are foreigners. Videshi. All are foreigners. This is the Maya Dham. This Maya Dham. This Maya Dham is not the place for staying. You. Wherever you go America. But we are staying in the another countries and our place is Golok Dham Vrindavan, and because we are staying in the Maya Dham, that's why Maya always beat us. Kada. So you are, nowadays you are drinking kada, the kind of aushadhi, medicine. So you are drinking so many kinds of medicine, some kada. So that's why you are so much fearing. You have some kinds of fear in your heart. So that's why we all are Apravasi. We all are foreigners. Somebody says that we are not foreigners. You all are foreigners. Because this is not our country. This is the country of Maya. And we all are staying here. And every day Maya is punishing us. So Mahaprabhu, Radha ji is saying, hey Krishna, your eternal Dham, Nitya Dham is in Vrindavan, and leaving Vrindavan, you are staying in Dwarika and Mathura. That's why he is saying, so Brajvasi doesn't like this kinds of activity. Hey Krishna, you should go to the Braj Bhumi. Braj is your Nitya Dham. Jeev Swarup there is the Krishna Das. All the living entities is the Krishna Nitya Das. They are the eternal servant of Krishna. Everybody has to go back to Godhead. Everybody has to go back to Golok Vrindavan. Until you will not reach there, you will not get the peace. So leaving the Maya Dham, if you go to leaving the Maya Dham, you go to Sadashiv Dham, Sadashiv to Vaikunt, Vaikunt to Ayodhya, Ayodhya to Dwarka, Dwarka to Mathura, Mathura to Golok Vrindavan. Till Ayodhya, till Dwarka, till Mathura, you won't get the peace. But you will get the peace only in Golok Vrindavan. Where have you go? Till you won't get on Dham, you will not get the peace of mind. That's why leaving this place, soon you should reach to Vrindavan. And Brajas, the Brajas is your life. Of Nanda Maharaj, and you are the assets of Braj.
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika is saying,
आप कृपा करके जो है ब्रज में पधारिए।
please have your mercy upon
यहाँ पर
and
आपके राजवेश
by the Maharaj. You are wearing this crown and you are royal dress. We don't like this. In the Vraj, you are covered. So you are covered. You are decorated with the flowers.
आप ब्रज में पधारिए।
Please enter into the Braj. Go into the Braj.
इसी कथा के सुनिया राधारवाणी ब्रज प्रेमे मने आनी भावे आपुलित देह मन ब्रज लगे प्रेम सुनी अपना के ऋणी मानी वही कृष्ण कार्य आसाधन वास्तव में राधे की यह कथा सुन करके
Actually, hearing this kinds of word from Radharani, Krishna was that how can I go to Braj?
वास्तव कृष्ण कहते
Krishna is saying actually,
मैं ब्रजवासी के द्वारा मैं ऋणी
I am so much in depth of Brajvasi.
न पारयम निर्बद्धं सुग्न ससाद कृत विबुध सामग श्यामा भजन गृह श्रृंखला संविष्ट प्रतिजातु साधु कृष्ण के मुख से तो वाणी।
So this is the voice of Krishna, and that Krishna is thinking that why I am in depth of the love of Brajvasi. That's why Krishna is saying, Krishna is saying while crying, Hey Radhe, whatever you are saying, that's true. I always remember you day and night. So when I remember you, my heart is got melted. Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad in Shrimad Bhagavatam, in the 47th canto, how Krishna is remembering the Brajvasi and he is crying in the sympathy to the Brajvasi. He is sending Uddhav in the Braj. So some little of the katha we have to heard this. We have heard already. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and before the Krishna or Jagannath, he is expressing this kinds of feeling. And Krishna is saying, Hey Radhe, very soon I will be in Braj. But I have some duty. So I have to distribute the love in the Brajvasi and save to the Mathuravasi. This is my duty also. When Bhagwan appeared in this world, so there are many causes there to appear in this world. They would like to give the pleasure to their near and dear ones and for destroying the demons and give the punishment to the demons. That's why he descended on this earth. So Krishna is saying himself, I have almost demons. There are two forces. Krishna is saying, Hey Srimati Radhike, please have some patience. So those are the rascal person of Kanch, demons of Kanch. So killing them and make the earth very light, so this is my duty also. So that's why I have killed all the demons, but 2 or 4 left only. And after killing all of them, I will come to Vrindavan very soon.
দেবাশ্রী পুত্র ধনে করি রাজা আবরণে যদুগণের সন্তোষ লাগিয়া তোমার যে প্রেম গুণ করে নানা আকর্ষণ জানিবে আমার দিলা 10-20 শ্রীমতী রাধিকা
Srimati Radhika.
কৃষ্ণ কাহে
So Krishna is saying,
অতি অল্প দিন में मैं आऊं
in a very short days, in a very short time, I am giving you the promise that I will be there within a very short time. Hey Radhe,
आप लोग
hey Brajvasi, please go back to Braj.
इसी प्रकार
In this way,
कृष्ण
Krishna
श्रीमती राधिका और समस्त ब्रजवासी
to Srimati Radhika and other Brajvasi is giving sympathy. And Mahaprabhu, one shloka is there
मयि भक्ति भूतानां
from the Bhagavatam.
कल्पते दृष्ट्वा यत् श्रीमत्स्नेहो भवति नाम मदापनः
This is a very beautiful shloka.
मयि भक्ति भूतानां अमृतार्थ कल्पते मेरे प्रति भक्ति करना ही ये अमृत स्वरूप
So who is performing bhakti towards me? This is the nectarian things.
दिव्य कर्तव्य
So what is the duty of the souls, all the jivas? So they have to perform the bhajan of Bhagwan. So by the bhakti, what they will get? They will get the Parshabde. Parshad.
એટલે કરે મયि ભક્તિ ભૂતાનાં અમૃતાર્થ કલ્પતે दृष्ट्वा यत् मत्स्येन भवति नाम किंतु हे गोपियों
Hey Gopi,
आप लोग जो यहाँ पर आने
yeah.
आप लोग की एक विशेष है मेरे प्रति स्नेह
So you have so much love and affection towards me. That's why you are here.
वो स्नेह क्या है
What is that? What is the Madapna means?
अपनत्व भाव जहाँ
Because you have so much relationship with me, apnatva, madhyat. You are mine.
दो प्रकार की भाव है
There are two kinds of bhav.
व्यक्त भाव और एक होता
One
है
is mayatva, second is tadyatva bhav.
क्या कहा जाता है क्या स्नेह कहा जाता है
Madhyatva
एक
bhav.
होता है हित स्नेह और एक होता है
There are two kinds of sneha, hetasneha or madhusneha.
थोड़ा विचार
Think about
एक
it.
होता है मधु स्नेह होता
One
है,
is
और
madhu
एक
sneha
होता है
and second is hit sneha.
हित स्नेह क्या है?
Sneha or ghrit sneha. Ghrit sneha, but I am his.
घी में अपना कोई स्वाद नहीं रहता
There is no ghee. If you lick the ghee, if you taste the ghee, so there is no taste of ghee.
खुशबू आता है
There is a little bit fragrance according to the Murari Prabhu, but ghee doesn't have any taste of it. There is no taste of in ghee.
आप तो पंडित हो ना बहुत अच्छा
You are the pandit.
है अभी घी के जो है
If you take the ghee in your palm and you like it, licking it, so
से घी निकालो और उस घी को चाटो
when you're licking the ghee, so there is no taste in ghee.
कुछ मिक्स कर दो घी में अपनी कोई स्वतंत्र टेस्ट
Ghee doesn't have its spontaneous taste.
हाँ वही तो बता रहे घी में जो है आप कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट
If you mix some ingredients into the ghee, then it will give you your taste.
क्या डालना पड़ेगा आप एक एक करके बताओ
What you have to put in the ghee?
थोड़ा
Cumin seeds, hing,
थोड़ा पूरा डाला
little bit put some. little. Huh? Put some coconut, burada. I don't know. Many ingredients you have to put. Then it will give you a taste. That's it. This is the conclusion. Put some black pepper, some cardamoms.
रस थोड़ा दे ये भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स को आपको अनुपात में देना पड़ेगा ऐसे नहीं ज़्यादा पे
So just little bit you have to give the ingredients and little bit salt there.
इसके बाद जो है मिक्स
After that mix that and then lick it. So you will get a taste here.
हमारे आचार्य मन से कहता है घी में अपने कोई टेस्ट
So our Acharya used to say that there is no taste in ghee.
ये घी में जब
But when you mix some ingredients into the ghee, then it will give you taste.
किंतु शहद जो है
Madhusneha, honey has its own taste. Honey has. If there is no need, there is nothing, no need to mix anything into the.
और देखो उसका हाथ में लो हाथ ऐसे काटो आहा आप तो बिल्कुल
The honey, and when you're licking it, so you will get
मादकता आता है मादकता नहीं
intoxication. So there is so much intoxication in that madhusneha.
एक ब्रह्मचारी के ऐसे कहा
So if you say one brahmachari, so if you take some honey, so he was taking so much honey in the night that he was not able to sleep because for headness. If you take so much honey, that will give the heat into the body. If you take so much honey, so what is the meaning here? Madhyatva tadyatva bhav, hitasneha and madhusneha. Radha and other gopiyas, whatever kinds of affection they have towards Krishna, that is madhusneha. That is madhusneha. And Chandravali and other gopis, what kinds of affection they have, sneha they have, that is called hitasneha. This is very nicely described in Ujjal Nirmani. Krishna is himself saying, "Hey Gopiyo, you have come from Vrindavan here, Kurukshetra." So just little bit think about here, how far from Mathura to Vrindavan. So from Rose Sanatan to Mathura temple is do the Google search. From Mathura to Vrindavan, it's just a line. It's not 10 kilometers, not 15 kilometers. It's very. The distance between Mathura and Vrindavan, just a line, which is called a border. There's just a border. There's just a line distance. Are you getting? The distance between Mathura and Vrindavan, just a border only. When you cross the border, you will be in Mathura or Vrindavan. And Vrindavan is the Madhurya Bhumi and Mathura is the Aishwarya Bhumi. The Madhurya and Aishwarya cannot mix up. So you have to understand it. So in the Ujjwal Nirmani Granth, this is very nicely described. So the bhav between Mathura and Vrindavan is different. If you take the geographical view, there is a line there. There is a border. So according to the geographical map, that we will see that there is just a line here, which is called the border. But according to the bhav, if we take it, so it's so much. It's 1,000 miles, thousands and thousands of miles. According to the feelings, according to the bhav. Because Vrindavan people have Madhurya bhav. They think that Krishna is our family member. Aishwarya Buddhi nahi. Doesn't have any kinds of opulence wisdom that Krishna is Bhagwan. If they see little bit opulence, Krishna presented so many kinds of opulences in Vrindavan. He has lifted the Raj Govardhan, he killed so many demons, but nobody thinks that he is Bhagwan. Nobody thinks that he is Bhagwan. Nobody cannot accept that he is Bhagwan. But in Mathura, everybody salute. Everybody do the salute and thinks that Krishna is Bhagwan. Even leave about everybody. Devaki and Vasudev, they were not giving the dust of his feet to the Krishna. And in Vrindavan, Nanda and Yashoda, they are giving the blessing to Krishna 10 times in a day, and they are giving their dust of his feet to Krishna. So this is a distance of bhav in Mathura, between Vrindavan and Mathura. So that's why the katha we were hearing here,
भगवान स्वयं कह रहे
Bhagwan is himself saying,
अमृता जगह पे मेरे प्रति जो भक्ति करना
so
ये अमृत स्वरूप
so who are performing bhakti towards me, this is the nectarian thing, will get the parshad tattva, parshad dhey.
मत सुनो भगवती ना मदापना आप लोग जो इतने दूर से आए
So you have come from Vrindavan to Kurukshetra. Why have you come here? Just because of me, because you have so much affection towards me.
द्वारा ही हम एक दूसरे के द्वारा बंधन
So why the affection? We are tied with each other. If somebody has love each other, so they are tied with that love.
संसार की
In this world,
आपके बेटा कहीं दूर देश
if somebody, if your child is living in another country,
किसी प्रकार से
so anyhow he is suffering, he got some illness, sickness, so what you will do?
बात करके
So calling that son, you will do anything, you will go do every efforts of your life. So this is called madhyatva bhav.
पड़ोसी के किसी के जो है कोई कैंसर हो
If your neighbors is suffering from cancer,
उन्होंने कहा जब हमें कुछ सहायता
so he said that please have 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, almost around everything of yours. But saving, if anybody suffer in your family, so you will, but and give him the better treatment because you have with that person.
के साथ ही साथ
So just because of you have relationship, that's why you have affection toward that person.
ये मदार
So which is called hey, because you have come to me, you this is the specialty that you have affection towards me.
मेरे प्रति जो है आपकी प्रगाढ़ जो है कि स्नेह
You have deep affection towards me. This is called the madhyatva bhav. It is not tadyatva bhav. It is madhyatva bhav.
प्रेम की पराकाष्ठा सर्वश्रेष्ठ के कहा
Madhyatva bhav.
मध्य तो हाथ
The topmost love is,
क्या कहते
the stage of topmost love is madhyatva bhav, because mother is saying he is my son.
मदापन आता
Madapan means my.
बेटा के हूँ पुत्र के हूँ ये सुना नहीं
I am the son's mother. We have never listened like this. Always mother used to say he's my son.
अच्छा लगता
I am yours and you are mine. Which one is better? I am yours. You are mine. I am you are mine.
तुम्हारे ऊपर हमारा
Because I have the adhikar over you. This is called you are mine. This is the topmost.
मेरा बेटा है
He is my son.
मैं बेटा को कहते कोई
He is my son.
आप पूछेंगे किसके बेटा
If you ask that whose son is this, you will say he is my son. When you say mera, so there is a deep affection. This is a mamata towards the child you have. So Krishna is himself saying, because you have so much deep affection towards me, that's why you have come here.
एक प्रश्न आप लोग के सामने
Now there is a question arise. I told you that there is no distance according to geographical view. There is no distance between Mathura and Vrindavan. I told you.
देखो ये गोपी
But
वृंदावन से कोई गोपी जो है मथुरा में नहीं गई।
yes. So no gopis went out from Vrindavan to Mathura. But that gopis,
चलो नंदगांव को मान लिया जाए
if you take about Nandagaon,
कहाँ गए
so Nandagaon to Kurukshetra they went.
इससे कितने किलोमीटर है
So according to the geographical view map, maybe 400 kilometers around
आगे
from Delhi and Delhi to Kurukshetra. It is around 400 kilometers.
अच्छा बता मथुरा वृंदावन से यदि आप कह दें चलो आप जितना भी 50-60 किलोमीटर
If you say about the distance between Mathura to Vrindavan, 50 or 60 kilometers, if you take 20 kilometers
काम से
from Nandagaon to Mathura,
मथुरा
if you say maybe 50 kilometers around, so Gopi have never been there for meeting with Krishna, but why they have gone to Kurukshetra?
क्षेत्र क्यों बोले यदि हमें तो चिंता होता है कि
So we always think about that. There is a question arise here.
होता है कि नहीं होता है वृंदावन से कुरुक्षेत्र गोपियां चली गई
Gopis went from meeting Krishna,
वृंदावन से
but they never been from Mathura, Vrindavan to Mathura. Maybe ये question can ask is in your mind. पूछ सकते हैं. So you should think about this question. Why it has happened?
ये भी रहस्य की बात
This is a mysterious thing.
है कि नहीं? समझ में आया? प्रश्न समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Did you understand the question? What is the question?
क्या प्रश्न बताएं?
What the question I asked? Tell me.
पास में जो है
So Mathura is very very near, but they didn't went there to go there.
क्यों पहुंच गए?
Why they have gone to Kurukshetra?
हस्तिनापुर है ना प्रवेश है वो तो वहाँ मिलने आए थे कुछ प्रवासी का
अरे गए
वहाँ जा सकते
उनके इलाज आने के लिए जिस जिसको विरोध है मिलना है तो यहीं पर मिल जाता यहाँ तो मिलने के लिए
यहाँ तो मर्यादा
है?
है बहाने
चलो विचार करो
Chalo, you should think about it. I will ask you tomorrow.
कोई उसको देखने वाला नहीं ये अरे कुरुक्षेत्र में तो उनके जब पत्नियां हैं देवकी है सविता रोहिणी देवी है
In the Kurukshetra, he has his wife is Rukmani.
सब लोग आगे उसके
All the Vaishnav came from Dwarkapuri to Kurukshetra.
राजा भी है
Kings also there.
राज हाथी घोड़े
Everything is there.
क्या चीज है? चलो जी यहाँ पर करें कृष्ण जो करें ये आप लोग की जो है ये विशेष वैशिष्ट है मदापन वही भक्ति भूतानां मृत्युत्त कल्पते
दृष्टवा
दृष्ट्वा जत् आसित मत्स्यो भवतिना मदापन इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
भावों के साथ प्रकट किया है।
he's observed himself into the bhav. So how beautiful sweetness bhav he is expressing.
भावों के चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And in the same mood, he is raising his hand.
केवल स्वरूप दामोदर जानते
Only Sarup Damodar got to know this bhav.
हैं। जैसे आप लोगों को मैंने आगे सुना है
As I told you just now,
रात क्यों नहीं पहुंचे
that why they didn't go to Mathura,
और वहीं पर पहुंचे
but they went to Kurukshetra.
वहीं पर जसोदा तक भी पहुंचे
Even Yashoda also went there.
अरे सभी लोग पहुंचे कुरुक्षेत्र के प्रसंग भागवत में कुरुक्षेत्र में जो प्रसंग जो है
So there is a context in the Bhagavatam with Kurukshetra Prasang. Everybody went there and they have discussed each other. Very nice stories are there.
किस प्रकार जो है
How
वहीं पर
they went there.
वो भी बहुत सुंदर कथा है।
This is also a beautiful katha.
तो महाप्रभु
So Mahaprabhu,
भावों के व्यक्त करते
so he is expressing this kinds of
हैं।
moods.
जानते हैं
Maybe you know.
राधा जी के जो है विश्वानंदिनी श्रीमती राधा जी के हैं। तीन दो प्रकार के प्रकाश है
There are two kinds. There are two kinds of expansion of Radharani, Sanyogni Radha and Viyogni Radha. Viyogni Radha, she went to Vishaka Kund, which is called Uddhav Kund, and Sanyogni Radha, she went to Kurukshetra.
ये सब उनकी प्रकाश आदि कहा
These all are their expansion. Actually, Brishvanu Nandini,
कृष्ण जैसे व्रत से कभी बाहर
just like the Krishna never went out from the Vrindavan to other places. Krishna never went out a step from Vrindavan.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
विश्वान
Vrishvanu Nandini, Shrimati Radhika, she never went out from Vrindavan.
प्रकार कृष्ण के छोड़कर के
She never went to leaving Krishna from Vrindavan places. So their expansion, Sanyogini and Vyogini.
संजोगिनी राधा
Sanyogini Radha, she went to Kurukshetra.
तो ये कथा यहाँ पर महाप्रभु को सुस्त भाव आदि व्यक्त
So Mahaprabhu expressing this all kinds of bhav.
प्रकार नृत्य करते
In this way, while he was performing dance, so he is expressing their moods.
राधा के इतने सुंदर भावों की प्रकाश किया जाए।
He expressing the moods of Radhika Rani.
और इस कथा को सुन करके
And
कृष्ण भी क्या करते
hearing that katha, Krishna was so much feeling ashamed.
कृष्ण स्वयं विचार करते हैं,
Krishna is thinking himself,
ये वास्तव में कैसे क्या बोलते हैं निमक हरण हरण करते हैं
Namak Haram. Namak Haram.
जिन लोगों ने मुझे इतने पाला पोसा प्रेम
The
दिया
people who have given the nourishment to me gave so much love and affection towards me, and I have neglected their love, and now I am in Kurukshetra. This is true.
इस प्रकार नृत्य करते करते
In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he is performing dancing, and when he so he fall down on the ground, At that time, Prataprudra, he raised up Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu, they had the external consciousness. Huh?
तब उस समय प्रताप रुद्र
At that time, Prataprudra, he was so much sorrow.
और काशी मिश्रा भक्तों को प्रताप रुद्र की सांत्वना देने लगे.
Then Kashi Mishra and other peoples give to sympathy to Kashi Mitra. Please have some patience. That Mahaprabhu very soon he will be pleased to you and give to mercy to you. So in this way he was performing dance and singing, and now Aarti is going to start. So at the time noon time happened, and there was so much sunshine there, so much heat there. Sarudama saw that Mahaprabhu क्या हो गया?
और सभी भक्त लोग मृदंग आदि
अरे यार,
कर रहे हैं.
Everybody was playing mridanga.
कीर्तन यार परिश्रम जाने गौड़ा.
Yes, everybody was so much working hard.
परिश्रम होता है.
While doing the kirtan, there is so much hard work. Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu knew it. Just like our brahmachari used to play mridanga, they used to sing. So there are so many sweats comes out from the body. Their body is full of wet with the sweat. Their body wet with the sweat. What are rhymes here? So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he stopped the chariot, and
सब लोग कहाँ पहुँच गए?
then they have reached that time Balgandi.
वहाँ पर पहुँच गए.
They have reached there.
जब पहुँच गए वहाँ
When they reached there, so according to the Vidhi, Maharaj and Maharani, they used to offer some prasad, offer some foods to Jagannath ji, and all the devotee, everybody, all the devotees sit with the Mahaprabhu. They all seated the Vallabh Vatika, Jagannath Vallabh Vatika. They took rest there, and Mahaprabhu seated under the tree, and he keeps his leg in the front, and he was lying like there, and Mahaprabhu was closing his eyes that time. At that time, Sarvabhattacharya and Sarvadamar, they came and said, this is the nice opportunity, you should serve to Mahaprabhu. So that's why they told to Raja Prataprudra, now you should take do the massage of Mahaprabhu's feet. And that time Raja Prataprudra, he has given up his Rajvesh, this royal dress, and he took the Vaishnav dress, and he was massaging the feet of Mahaprabhu that time. And at that time, according to the bhav of Mahaprabhu, he was performing the kirtan. So and that time Prataprudra, he was doing the kirtan, Jayati Dedikam Vera Sharati Indra Mitam Tapta Jivanam Kalmashapaham Savana Mangalam Purida Jana, who is the topmost giver, who always speak this kinds of beautiful katha of Govind. So Mahaprabhu was observed in this mood, and he was saying, who are the speakers? He is the topmost donor. And Mahaprabhu hugged him. And Mahaprabhu is saying himself, I am the sannyasi, what can I give to you? So that's why Mahaprabhu embraced him, hugging him. So who Mahaprabhu was? Mahaprabhu didn't want to give the darshan to Prataprudra. So he was saying that if I touch this body, then I will be impure. But at that time, Mahaprabhu, he was hugging Prataprudra. So seeing that fortune of Prataprudra, everybody was so much pleased that time, and Mahaprabhu showed his form to Prataprudra. So we will describe this tomorrow. So we will discuss further katha tomorrow. Hera Panchami. Tomorrow is Hera Panchami. So this katha is very nice. So Mahaprabhu, hearing that katha, he went to, leaving Gundicha Mandir, he went to Jagannath temple, which is called Lakshmi Vijay Leela. This katha is very nice. Bolo Vrindavan Ki Jai. Hare Krishna. Now the Aarti will start.